we are here at Potato Creek State Park. This is my Father's Day getaway for my first time going camping. All right, we will be having a ball here at Potato Creek. Okay, you guys, this is the site that site 208. And then my son happened to show up from nowhere and came camping with me. All right, you guys, thank you for tuning in. Hey, make sure you come in and tune in some more. Yep, and then this is a little tinny. And then we're gonna take you on the inside here in a minute. This unzip, and that's a whole nother door. And yeah, this is